Anyway, hey guys, welcome to Keeping Up with Stephanie. And let's just say this is a story from Business Insider I seen, and thought I would like to share this with you guys. 100 teens, how do they watch television? How does most teenagers nowadays watch television? That's my biggest question for you guys. If you're a teen, comment in the below of how do you watch TV? How do you watch TV? Well, these results from Business Insider is gonna horrify cable companies big time. Okay, let's just say the Generation Z of teenagers is moving away from traditional television. Marketers say that a major break from previous generations to sway these teens. Some networks are collaborating with social networks and popular streaming options. It's not always blah, blah, blah. Many people out there prefer YouTube, Hulu, Netflix, and many other sources out there within the teen generation. As only 2% of Gen Z said that cable is their most used choice for video content. Nearly a third said YouTube is their most used choice for video content, and 62% saying they say streaming excluding YouTube, including Netflix or Hulu, is their most used. Those who do watch cable TV, which is me, enjoy it largely as it means of bonding with family, the news, or falling asleep, which, yeah, kind of does help you sleep. Cable TV does kind of help you fall asleep, I'm just saying. Okay, and major stories even with young generations. Among adults, 59% say cable or satellite is a primary method of watching television, according to a 2017 research study. Ooh, okay. So, what is the future of cable TV? Is it going to decline? Is it going to go away? Is cable TV actually going to partner up with most of these streaming networks, which honestly, I think most cable companies should partner up with these streaming companies. I just think that Spectrum and Comcast and DirecTV, I think they should definitely partner up with most of these streaming companies. I'm just saying. What are your thoughts on this one? Do you have cable TV? Do you watch cable TV? Do you prefer YouTube over cable TV? Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts on this one. So yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you follow me all over the internet of @Sunny's Life, and see ya, peace, bye, and subscribe. Okay, guys? And yeah.